Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO A5 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. The 4,000 ampere jump starter battery pack provides instant restart for your 12-volt dead vehicles, supporting all gas engines and up to 10.0-liter diesel. Even if the battery voltage is extremely low, simply press the boost button to forcefully jump-start your car. With over 1,000 plus charge cycles, it is built to withstand extreme weather conditions ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO A5, battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, up and down to select, pressure increase or decrease, setting button, LCD display, power button, LED button, USB Type-C out, power delivery 45 watts maximum, jump cable socket, LED flashlight, A-rated, USB Type-A output, USB Type-C input. How to use. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50 or above charge remains to start your car. Don't start a huge engine-sized car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melted. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. This unit can be charged using the Type-C cable and a wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.